Everyone, this week's diecast car is the 1978 Trans Am by Pontiac. By Greenlight, this is from one of the many Fast and Furious movies. This probably appeared in maybe Fast and Furious 6 or 7. It's hard to even keep track. This, of course, is a bit of a resto mod. This would have been by, I think, year one. That's a bit of a hint. Year one's claim to fame are these Snowflake Wheels, which are kind of made to look like the original, probably 14 or 15-inch wheels, and these are more like 18s, 19s. This is typical Greenlight quality, for better or worse. This is part of their Artisan series. This is the second one I had to get. The first one had a large paint chip. Paint quality is very thick. Bunch of errors. There's a nice big blob right there, which I'm getting tired of having to send these back. This is kind of what you get with Greenlight. The Artisan series isn't that cheap. This probably retails for about 69, 79 bucks. I kind of expect better. The only opening parts are the doors. There is some flocking, some simulated carpet. Detail is, I guess, average at best, personally. Not too much to see on the bottom. This is number 1884. Doesn't say how many the run is. Nothing else open. The hood does not open. The T-tops do not lift off. The trunk does not open. I don't understand the point of just having opening doors. I'd rather it be fully sealed and then just have higher quality control than just giving me opening doors. I paid about $45 with it, shipped via Prime. I guess that helps my expectations a little bit, but I mean, the paint quality is pretty horrendous. You can see all that orange peel. This to me is only a notch or two above a toy, but again, who else makes these movie cars? GMP, Acme, they do a couple of the cars from the movie. Highway 61 has a couple of the cars, but you know, the retail will be $159. They'll be much better though. So this is one of those, it is what it is. If you want this car, Greenlight's the only one that makes it. So that's that. Tune in next week. I'm not sure what we'll do. Maybe a Mustang. I've got really a lot of cars in the queue. So tune in, like, and subscribe.